out of class. 我的素宝们，上课喽！ Bleh, bleh. Okay, welcome to a new semester, and I kind of have to explain my beginning again because we have 3 new students. Amber, hi Amber, Hannah, and Edmund. Okay, we have 3 new students, so that's why I have to explain my beginning to all of them because they probably thought, well, what are you doing? Why are you like this? Okay, so you are, of course, all my dears, like 宝贝. So that's why in class I call you guys 宝贝 all the time. So because my name is Sue, S-U-E, so you guys all are my 素宝们. So that's why I say 素宝们上课喽. Okay, other than that, the reason why I do this is because English is fun, English is cool, and English is very good to know when you grow up. Okay, the reason why I added this is because Cloud suggested it. So I'm going to continue this beginning. Okay, Cloud in our class suggested the and I don't know why I'm throwing up. Maybe Cloud can tell me why I want to throw up. Okay, so today is Monday, February 26th. Today is Monday, February 26th. Wait. I almost forgot to say the most important sentence of this video. I'm the prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. One more time. I'm the prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. 你看这个 prettiest 有多好用。我们现在刚好新的那个单元是在讲比较级跟最高级，所以我刚好这个句子用到了 perfect timing, right? Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do in this video. First, we're going to go over the flashcards. And then we're going to talk a little bit about the reading and then the spotlight reading. And then I'm going to share with you some of the things that I did during winter vacation. So here we go. Let's start. So let's go over the flashcards first. And these words are going to show up on the quiz later on. So you need to know how to spell it. And it's not as easy as it looks because a lot of students spell like Russia wrong. So let's go over it. The Nile. The Nile. Spell it. Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Spell it. Say it out loud. Don't get lazy. Come on. Russia. Russia. Cheetah. Cheetah. I almost forgot to say spell it. Okay. Blue whale. Blue whale. Giraffe. Giraffe. Okay. Now that we're done with the spelling, let's move on to the flashcards for the questions that we went over on Friday. So I want you to open up your student book. Student book. 打开来到 page 52, 第52页. You need to look at the book in order to say this, or else you're not going to know how to say it. And for Edmund, Hannah, and Amber, hopefully you guys brought your worksheets back, okay? 不是 teacher 是有去影印那个给你们吗？那个学习单很大张的，那你可以看那个 for reference. Okay, so are you guys ready to go? Let's go. Let's say it together. 一定要说出来哦，因为你如果没有说，你就不会练到那个句型。OK， 那写的时候就很容易写错，漏掉1-2个字。Alright, so let's say it together. Ready, go. Which are taller, African elephants or giraffes? Giraffes are taller than African elephants. They are the tallest animals in the world. Next one. Which is larger, Saturn or Jupiter? Jupiter is larger than Saturn. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Or, as we said in class, it could be like in the universe as well. Ready, go. Which are faster, gazelles or cheetahs? Cheetahs are faster than gazelles. They are the fastest animals in the world. Next one. Which are rarer, gray wolves or red wolves? Red wolves are rarer than gray wolves. They are the rarest animals in the world. Which are heavier, Asian elephants or African elephants? African elephants are heavier than Asian elephants. They are the heaviest animals in the world. Okay, I know I didn't go in order. Okay, 我刚才没有按照顺序，我刚刚才发现。不过没关系，还是可以讲出来的。Okay, which is larger, Alaska or Texas? Alaska is larger than Texas. It is the largest state in the U.S. or in the United States of America. All right. 我们刚刚就练习完了我们的 speaking, okay, for the flashcards. And I already said in class that these sentences will show up on the test. Ta-da! Notice that I am in a different colored shirt because I am recording this on a different day. So we're going to move on to the next page in the student book and go to page 53. 53. We are going to talk about this mini frog and see what it is about. Okay, 53. Let's say it together. Ready, set, go. Frogs with many colors. Red-eyed tree frogs are one of the most colorful frogs in the world. Their bodies are bright green with blue and yellow striped sides. They have red eyes and orange feet. The bright colors protect them from other animals. Dangerous animals cannot see the frogs. They are green so they can hide in trees. The frogs put their orange legs under their bodies so they are completely green. The frogs can sit on leaves and other animals cannot see them. The colors red, orange, yellow, and blue also help the frogs. When a hungry snake or bird sees a frog, the frog quickly shows all its bright colors. The colors make the snake or bird surprised, and the frog can jump away. All of the colors on the red-eyed tree frog are useful. Okay. 我记得我之前有在那个 National Geographic 就是那个什么国家地理频道有看过这个的报道，他们在照片里面没有看到它们的大小，可是它们真正如果你握在你的手里面，它们是好像是只有这样子这么大而已哦。They're not very big. And then they sit on the palm of your hand like this. And I remember them as being very colorful, yes. And yes, exactly what the picture is like they have the different stripes. But are they poisonous though? You can go look that up online. 它们是有毒的嘛？因为我记得就是小时候老师都会教说，哦，如果它很多颜色的话，我是说动物如果很多颜色的话，它可能是有毒的哦。所以我真的就不知道这个青蛙有没有毒。You can go look it up and then you can tell me on Friday. Oh, and boys and girls, 如果我在之前的影片的片段有说什么 see you on Wednesday 的话，哎呀，那一定是我忘记说我们 Wednesday 没有上课啦。The next time I'll see you is Friday. Okay, remember that. 那接下来的4个问题呢，你就要回答 in complete sentences. Yes, This is homework, okay? To be done at home when you watch my video. Okay, so let's go over number 1 together. Why are the frogs called red-eyed tree frogs? 为什么这个 frog 叫 red-eyed tree frogs 呢？ Duh! I gave you a big hint. 所以完整句子哦。第2 How does the color green protect the frogs? Again, you can pause the video and then write down the answer. And then come back. The answers are all in the paragraph. Number 3. Why do the frogs show all of their colors? 为什么这个青蛙会有这么多颜色，会 show 它们的颜色呢？ Number 4. What parts of a red-eyed tree frog are orange? So again, please write all the answers down in complete sentences. On Saturday was 元宵节, so I have to tell you, Happy Lantern Festival. Did you guys go eat 汤圆? How do I say 汤圆 in English? Please go look it up. And then we can discuss on Wednesday, and then I can give you cards for it. Besides that, did you guys go see lanterns? And I think one of the most popular activities during Lantern Festival is 猜灯谜. Okay, so in English, we would say solving the English lantern riddle. So I am going to give you an English lantern riddle. And 我还运用着我们在 English Chest 学到的句型哦，你看，我很厉害吧？ So here goes. Which is faster, hot or cold, and why? My English lantern riddle is, which is faster, hot or cold? Tell me the reason why. Okay, and if you can answer this question, then you can also get cards for it. 所以有很多机会可以获得卡。Teacher Sue 已经抛出来2个问题问你们咯。We are going to move on to the Spotlight Reading book, and then we're going to go over the vocabulary words again because it's going to show up on the test later too. All right, here goes. Page 70. Page 70 in your Spotlight Reading book. Let's say it together. Hardworking. Hardworking. Forgets. Forgets. However. However. Active. Active. Outdoor activities. Outdoor activities. Attention. Attention. Guitar. Guitar. Goal. Goal. Band. Band. Okay, so out of all these yellow words, I think the hardest would be active. And I told you guys in class what active means. Active is like you're very energetic, you're like running around all the time, and then you basically like to talk a lot, okay? But that's just one of the characteristics. This is just like moving along, okay? You don't like to stop and, stay quiet and stay behind the scenes and stuff, okay? So that's what active means. Other than that, I think the other words are pretty easy to understand. So during class, I went over the multiple choice questions and also the grammar part. On Wednesday in class, we are going to go over 74, 75, and 76. 所以如果你还没有做完的话，请你把74、75跟76页完成哦。OK， 所以我们礼拜3回来才可以交换改，然后我们可以检讨我们错的地方。然后之前 Teacher Sue 有讲说，这个的题型很像全民英检初级的题型，所以这个可以帮助你说以后在考试上面就是可以 get used to the question format. Okay, so that's why we are doing this. Also to increase our vocabulary too. 一方面可以增加单字量。 第二方面就是这个很像全民英检初级的考题，所以我们才会做这本书。那如果你是5年级要升6年级呢？明天，不是明天，我在讲什么啊？我怎么想太快了 ？OK， 明年要升6年级，或者是你现在是3年级或4年级 ，OK， 那你明年可能会到 Teacher Carol 那班啊 ，Teacher Carol 那班是 Spotlight Reading 2， 那的阅读的部分 ，the reading part is going to be longer, and then the words are going to be harder。而且它另外一个课本应该是会做国中文法哦，所以我也很期待，就是你们明年会去他的班 ，All right。接下来我要给你第3个机会，可以加卡哦。Okay, so since we went over the vocabulary words, I'm going to start off easy this unit. Please leave a comment under my video in the comment section. Write a sentence with Eugene and active. Okay, put those two in a sentence. Okay, and please say who you are, or else I don't know who left the comment. 那如果你没有看到 video， 或者是你的 video 没有寄到那个 email 信箱的话，请你把 Eugene 跟 active 造一个句子，我礼拜3可以检查，这个可以加卡 ，OK？ 那你不可以跟课本里面的句子一样，这个是规则之一。第二个规则就是上面的，就是在 computer YouTube 上面的那个，如果上面的人已经用过那个句，就是那个句子，他已经写了句子，你不可以跟他写一模一样的，一定要不一样的 ，All right？ 所以 Eugene and active。Eugene and active. Please make a sentence. Okay? Hopefully, you guys can all accomplish it. 这个是第3个机会可以加卡哦，请把握机会。On the last comment I said, I forgot to tell you that your sentence must be 6 words or more. 一定要6个字以上哦。所以，比如你如果说 Eugene is active， 不行。There's only 3 words in there.So you have to at least make a sentence with 6 words or more. I can't speak anymore. It's getting late at night. Okay, so 接下来我本来想要 go over workbook 的，但是我发现我们的 Hannah 跟 Amber and Edmund, they don't have the workbook, so I don't really want to talk about it because not everybody has the workbook. Once everybody gets the workbook, then I can talk about it. And if we get the workbook on Wednesday for them, that would be perfect. All right, so I'm not going to talk about the workbook now. Other than that, that is the review of the whole lesson. And on Wednesday, I am going to go over Red-Eyed Tree Frogs. That will be our new reading. And later on, I'm going to share with you what I did in Thailand. So I went to Thailand with my family over winter vacation. And then there are some interesting videos that I want to share with you. And one of them is I went to an elephant sanctuary. You can go look up what is an elephant sanctuary. I'm going to ask you on Wednesday. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions on Wednesday and see if you know the answer. Okay, what is an elephant sanctuary? All right, so I went to an elephant sanctuary with my family and we got to see many female elephants. And these are all Asian elephants, not African elephants. And I saw this Asian elephant that was really, really pretty and very adorable. And you can see what she did in the video, and then I will later ask you guys. All right, so hopefully you guys will think this is very fun, and then I guess I will see you guys on Wednesday. Okay, so for now, this is your prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. Bye-bye. 你看它一路大，这是它的大便，超大球的。这女生一路大便啊。